Hello guys, welcome to Power BI tutorial. Today we will understand how we can set report page size and page view for Power BI report pages. So firstly we will understand situations and after that we will move to practical session. So situation is here. Suppose you have one report and under that report you have 20 to 30 pages and all pages layout are not same. So being a developer you cannot display different height width pages to users for one report. So in that case, you have to set same page size or page view for all report pages. Here is the list of page sizes: 16:9. This is default page size. 4:3. Then tooltip, letter, and you can set custom width and height for report page. And here is the list of page view settings. Fit to page. This is default page view settings. Then second one is fit to width. It will set page content and visualization as per your set page size. And third one is actual size. It will display content in full size. Let's move to practical file. See, this is blank report page. So firstly we will set page size and page view for single page. So click anywhere in blank area and then click to format, and here is page size option. Just select to page size and see 16:9 is default page size, and when you click 16:9 it will show you many options like 4:3, letter, tooltip and custom. When you select letter, see this is letter page size, and when you select tooltip, this one is tooltip, but we will set custom page size for our report page. So just select to custom, and here my width is 2000 and height is 1500. Fine. See guys, this is my custom report page layout. Okay, so from here we successfully fixed our report page size. Now we will set page view. Okay, so for this click to view tab, and under view tab you will see page view. When you click page view you will see three options. First one is fit to page, and second one is fit to width, and third one is actual size. So by default page view is fit to page. Okay, and when you click fit to width, so according to my custom width it will change my page view. Okay, see, I'm clicking fit to width. See, now my report page view has been changed according to my custom width. Okay, and when I select actual size, it will display my content and visuals in full size. See, when I click actual size, see, now one scroll bar has been enabled in bottom of my report page. So now I am changing my report page view. See, fit to width. Okay, and for better understand, here I will use two visuals. So firstly I select stack column chart, and here I drag product category in axis and profit in value. Okay, and same I choose one pie chart and I drag a product category in legend and profit in value. Fine. So now again I am selecting fit to page. See, this is default page view. Okay, and now I am selecting fit to width, so it will adjust my visuals and content according to my custom width. Okay, right now my custom width is 2000 pixels. See, now my content and visuals has been adjusted according to my custom width. Now actual size, so it will display my visuals and contents in full size. So when I click here, see, now my visual size has been changed and one scroll bar has been enabled in bottom of report page. See, best page view is fit to width, so select fit to width. See, this is best page view. Okay, so guys, hope you clear how we can set page view and page size for Power BI report page. Same steps you can follow for multiple pages. Thank you guys.